In today's video, I'll teach you how to create TaskRabbit account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in taskrabbit.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TaskRabbit. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Click on this option, sign up or log in, that you can see on the screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to sign up or log in to your account. In order to create the account, click on this option, sign up, that you can see on the screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, enter your first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now, provide your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now, what you have to do is enter your phone number. You can also select the country code. Click on the field of country code. After you do that, you'll be able to see the countries over here. Click on the country of your choice. Now, after you do that, enter your phone number over here. Now, after you enter the phone number, create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Now, what you have to do is enter your zip code over here. Now, check on this box in order to agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy. Now, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your account will easily be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the TaskRabbit account. So that is how you create TaskRabbit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.